was freaking floating away. She jumped in right here, and every time a car went by, she floated along.
Inaugural Silver River trip.
There he goes.
Yeah.